Ang daming parents ngayon hanggang sa urgency lang mga deadline. Hindi nila ina-address, binibigyan ng oras yung mga importante. There was this author who said, for our children, love is not spelled L-O-V-E. It is spelled T-I-M-E. Time. Time for our children. That is bonding. Things in life. Result and relationship. A parent, puro ka result, nagkukulang ka naman sa relationship. The ethical principle says, people who are good in relationship produce results faster and better. Relationship, saan ito nabubuhay? Sa bonding mo, your time with your children. Mayroong mga urgent, mayroon ding mga important. Yan sa bahay. Of course, yung may mga deadline. Tuition, o pambili ng bagong uniform or sapatos dahil nasira yung sapatos ng anak mo. Dito, tuition fees have deadline. Babayaran sa kuryente at sa tubig, may deadline. Otherwise, mapuputulan ka. Kahit yung pagkain sa refrigerator, mayroong deadline. Mayroong expiry date. These are all urgent. But surprisingly, and what is funny, I may be a little bit lied about this, ang daming parents ngayon hanggang sa urgency lang mga deadline. Hindi nila ina-address, binibigyan ng oras yung mga importante. Now, importante sa bahay na hindi urgent dahil walang deadline. Yung oras mo sa mga anak mo, wala namang deadline. It's not urgent, but certainly, it is very. Now, the same principle applies in the workplace. Sa workplace, of course, yung may mga deadline. Reports have deadline. Results have deadline. Ano naman yung importante? Yung relationship, ugali or attitude. Mga ka-co-employees mo, sa bossing mo, but lalong-lalo na sa kliyente. Now, what is the ethical principle, if I may be allowed to articulate it? The principle says, things that are important must not be at the mercy of the things that are urgent. Tanting bagay ay hindi dapat isantabi dahil lang sa mga urgent na bagay. Of course, as parents, we need to address things that are urgent. But let us not be slow and let us not forget to address things that are important.